Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be making Gari FUFU. You guys, if you don't know what Gari FUFU is, this is Gari right here, and then we're just gonna cook it as fufu. Yeah. So this is Gari. Okay. So this is $5 from the African market. I don't have much left, as you can see. So I'm gonna use this as fufu today. Okay. So here is our pot. It's boiling now. So basically what I'm going to do is pour some of the Gari in here, so I'll be able to pour it here. So as you can see, sometimes you get like a little bit of black stuff out of it, just like you can get it out of the rice. So yeah, if you see it, just take it out. That's basically it. So now we're just gonna turn this Gari into, let me see here, okay, yeah, into fufu. We're just gonna stir it, and then there's no really measurements. You just got to eyeball it to see once it gets thickens up, and then you just try to, yeah. Okay, so make sure you put this on a low. So you're gonna turn this. Maybe I put a little bit more, because we're gonna allow this fufu to cook maybe for like 5 minutes or 3 minutes. That's basically it. We're gonna add a little bit of water and let it cook. That's all we're going to do. So we're going to add water and let this Gari cook a little bit, and then we're gonna come back when it's all done. Let's give it like 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. Okay guys, so it's been 3 minutes since this Gari FUFU has been steaming. You guys, it came out really nice. Look at that. So make sure you fully stir the fufu like so, okay? Make sure you get every bit of it. Okay, so now basically this is the texture. Okay. Alright. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna boil the fufu. The Gari FUFU. We're gonna boil it. And so this is my plastic wrap, you guys. This is my plastic right here. And then all you have to do, just take the amount that you want it to boil, like so, and put it on the wrap. Okay, and then just take the zip bag or tie and just basically smooth it out like so, and just go like this and just twist it like so. And this will give you fufu. Okay, so that's what this is right here. Okay guys, so this is so now I'm actually going to eat in the pot. You guys, yes, typical African girl. Okay, typical. So what I'm going to do is to put my soup into my fufu. Yep. Looks like that spoon was wasting time. Okay, so let's take and put it all over like so. Alright guys, and then all you have to do now is just put your hand into it and eat. Can you see me? So that's it for this. Ouch, it's hot. So that is it for this fufu. Got some bone. Thanks for watching guys.